What's up, Glow Getters? My name is Rachel Roff. I'm the founder and formulator of Urban Skin RX, a clinical skincare line, as well as a licensed medical esthetician and certified laser technician. Today, I have teamed up with EcoTools, and I'm so excited to be working with them because I'm all about looking and feeling your best, because when you look and feel your best, I just feel like it's a lot easier in this crazy world. So I'm constantly traveling to meetings, speaking engagements, working with EcoTools, my favorite brand ever. And the last thing I can really afford is when I show up to these meetings for my skin not to be on point. Definitely people want to make sure my skincare products work, and I have to be, an example of that. And so today I'm going to just extend some of my favorite tips for when you travel, how to really travel in a way that it doesn't cause your skin to break out, look dull, and you can just show up and show out looking amazing. So my first tip for traveling with a flawless complexion, or making sure you're not doing anything to reverse your flawless complexion, is showing up to the airport, bus station, train station with a fresh face. And I know that can be a little bit scary, but we have to love ourselves as the way we were meant to be. If for some reason you do have a dark mark and a pimple that you want to conceal, I still recommend having a fresh face is over as much of your complexion as you can. I really love the EcoTools Ultimate Concealer Trio brushes. So what you can do is just directly put your concealer on the brush, put it under the eye or on the pimple. Another thing keep in mind is I love to travel with the makeup cleansing cloths. You definitely, one of the worst things you can do is use dirty brushes, and these are great to travel with. But again, please show up to travel. There's so much, dirt, debris in those huge public places. You can't help but to, touch something that somebody else touched and touched your face. So, make sure you deeply cleanse your face. I love the facial brush from EcoTools. Deeply cleanse the skin, use a hydrator, because traveling is definitely dehydrating for the skin. Leave the makeup at home if you have to. Just put some concealer on the areas that you're most concerned about. So my next set of tips are what to do while you are on the plane, on the train, so you don't do anything to reverse this healthy complexion that I'm here to help you guys get. So those tips really are hydrate, rest, and reduce inflammation and promote circulation. So EcoTools has some amazing tools for all those three things. So definitely drink water. Planes are so dehydrating. Drink this, fill it back up, definitely, get your 64 ounces in. But I saw this crazy study where this girl wanted to demonstrate how dehydrating it is up in that really high elevation. So she took a t-shirt, wet it, had it dry in her house, and recorded how long it took the t-shirt to dry. She took the same exact t-shirt, wet it, put it on a plane, and showed that it was like literally half the amount of time for the t-shirt to dry on the plane. So again, this is a prime example. Skip the alcohol, drink your water, and your skin will thank me later for that. Next, get some sleep. I love this sleep mask from EcoTools. Try to do what you can to get a window seat, prop your head against the wall, and get some rest. And then probably one of the most important things that really I think your skin will show immediately is improving circulation. And they have an amazing jade roller for that. It's cooling, so it reduces inflammation, reduces redness, puffiness. Start on the chin and move out horizontally to the hairline. Oh, feels so good. Also, the under eye area, always go outward. Don't go inward. You don't want to push those wrinkles. So just that feels so good. But again, these are three of my favorite things to use while you're up in the air: water, jade roller, sleep mask. So my final travel tip actually involves one of my favorite products, the Dry Body Brush. And what I recommend is you use this when you get to your final destination. When you finally are relaxing in your hotel, take a nice warm bath, clean the body, and then when you get out and you're all dried off, use the body brush. You can use it in gentle circular motions. You can go up and down. But what the dry body brush does is it promotes circulation, so it helps to improve the appearance of cellulite. It also exfoliates off dead skin, so your skin just really glows. It feels smooth. If you're at the beach, you're gonna be extra beach body ready. So, definitely don't leave home without this. So we just went over some of my favorite travel tips. Just as a summary, keep in mind, go to the airport with a fresh face. If you need to conceal a couple blemishes, still leave the rest of your face makeup free. Drink lots of water, get rest, do things to help encourage circulation within the body. And if you use any of these tips, I would really like to see it. So please, post it and tag at Urban Skin Founder or at EcoTools. And I look forward to, seeing those.